Hi, Casey. Hi, Casey. Hi. What are you doing? Hi, little Casey. Hi, Zeppelin. Hi, Zeppelin. Kipper, what are you barking at? There's me and Mini-Me. What do you want? Hi, Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Kipper, are you saying hi, everybody? Say hi. Hello. Hello. Casey. Me and Mini-Me. Hi, Zeppelin. This is Simon. Simon the Chihuahua. Simon. Hi. There's Zeppelin in his little bin. Casey and Kipper. That's me and Mini-Me. And there's Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Hi. Hi. And Zosha's in her crate. Zosha, come on out. She didn't want to come out. Hi, Kipper. Say hello. Well, she doesn't want to say hello. Zeppelin, you still in your crate? Hi, Zeppelin. Hello. Hello. Kipper. Casey. Hi, Casey. What was that? Well, Kipper tried to get into Zosha's crate, and Zosha's not happy about it. Hi, Zeppelin. Hi. Hi. Chaotic household. Chaos.